Good morning, sir. Myself Nitin and my teammate Vignesh. And firstly, he couldn't participate in this video due to that coronavirus problem. He's a native, so he couldn't participate in this video. So our topic is like ultrasonic sensor gloves, which is useful for the blind people. In olden times, we all know the blind people use the stick for walking instead of this kind of gloves and all. So it's very difficult for them to handle the sticks. It's very difficult. We all know it's very difficult to handle the sticks for the blind people. So we invented a new idea like ultrasonic sensor gloves, which is useful, which is very useful actually. And working of this is the sensor will be fitted on the ultrasonic sensor will be fitted on the gloves, and it will be connected to the breadboard and the Arduino board and all. And one buzzer is there, and which used to make sound, and the motor is there for vibrating. It's like useful for vibration, and we can adjust the measure the distance between the obstacle and the ultrasonic sensor, which is very helpful. Like if if we adjust the distance like 10 meter between the obstacle and the glass ultrasonic sensor, and if any obstacle comes between this 10 meter, the ultrasonic sensor will sense the obstacle, and the buzzer will start make sound, and the LED will blink, and the motor will start vibrate. So it's very helpful for the blind people to notify that any obstacle is there in front, like that. The equipments which we use for the projects are one is this Arduino board, which is the main part of this project. Another one is breadboard, which all the connections are connected to the breadboard, and you can see one small part there is a button, and you can see the buzzer, which is helpful for making the sound, and here it is the motor, which is helpful for the vibration, and you can see the gloves here, and the ultrasonic sensor is there. You can see the ultrasonic sensor, which is useful for the sensing the obstacles. So these are the main parts of this one. The ultrasonic sensor have 4 connections, and the 4 connections are connected to the breadboard, and from the breadboard with the help of the male and female wire, which is connected to the Arduino board, and the button is connected to the breadboard, and likewise the motor is connected to the breadboard, and with the help of male and female it's connected to the Arduino board, same as the buzzer also connected to the breadboard, and same to the Arduino board. Due to the failure of the battery, we use the connection from the PC, from the laptop to the Arduino board due to the failure of the battery. Now we can see the ultrasonic sensor we set in the gloves, and you can see one buzzer which is useful for producing the sound, and one motor which is useful for the vibration, and you can see some small yellow color thing. It's a button which is already on, and the Arduino board which is connected to the laptop. And I'm taking here the mobile as an obstacle because it's very difficult to handle this alone, so I'm taking this mobile as an obstacle. So now you can see the working part of this one. So the motor is there, buzzer is there. I'm taking the mobile near to the ultrasonic sensor. See, you can see this one motor is vibrating, and sound is coming from the buzzer. You can see that, and you can see light is glowing from there. So if I'm taking back, it will stop. If I'm going, it will start. Stop, start, stop, start. The distance between the obstacle and the ultrasonic sensor we already set in the while coding part. See, now it's starting. The motor is vibrating. You can see the motor is vibrating. You can see that. Now stop. So this is the working of our project ultrasonic sensor gloves. And once again, my team is myself Nitin and Vignesh. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you.